A carrot. I tossed one down there and it didn't bother. Whoops. Carrots for you. See? Good carrots. You're a nice bunny. You're a nice bunny. Yes, you are. It's all right. It's all right. Don't worry. It's okay. You really got a reddish-brown thing behind your head there. Almost orange. It's all right. It's all right. Wiggling your little nose. Do you smell something? What do you smell? Oh, here comes the lady cardinal. Alrighty, I'll back off and let the lady cardinal come in here and get some seeds if you didn't eat them all already. Well, she's liable to come in even with me sitting here, it looks like. Yep, there she is. Hi, lady. Hi, lady. Sweet. Sweet. Yep. And there's the mister. You gonna come down too, buddy? Your missus just flew away. Come on, buddy. Up, he flew past too. I guess I'm too close for them. But not too close for the rabbit. Chipmunk coming now. Hi, chipmunk. Oh, and there's one right behind the rabbit too. Oh, this is getting too long. I gotta stop.